ขอบคุณครับ Okay. Oh, can you walk there?
Around 20 years ago.
You're walking on the same road after 20 years.
Yeah.
Oh, is your school pitch here?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
You want to go inside this?
Oh, can you ask him?
ศาลหลวงปู่พิงค์ตรงนี้ไปไหน
นู่นแหละลูก
ข้างบนเหรอคะอ๋อ
เอาหนูเอาอันนี้ติดกัน
ได้ค่ะ
ก็ถามเราว่าเดี๋ยวไอ้นั่น
ได้ค่ะคนเดียวได้ใช่ไหม
ญาติคุณ
ขอบคุณ
คุณ
นะ
ค
คะ
รับ
ลูกค้าร้านนั้นเลยลูกค้าร้านจะอยู่
ได้ค่ะ
Wow, yeah, your school is good.
Yes. You know, before not like this. Before na have big tree. No, not like this before. They don't have this. It's a clear.
Really?
Yeah. Don't have roof like this.
Ah.
Oh, change a lot.
Oh, looks good, no?
Yeah. place more big now, you will feel your old school so small. Look, oh, my old memory comes.
Really?
Me and my friend. Me and my friend. When we was in school, we always walk to learn. Probably change room.
Really?
Yeah. Not fixed room. Change room. Depend on subject.
Okay, look. Okay, you guys have different flags also. You guys put now.
Hey, maybe because of subject. This before is canteen. Near canteen.
Oh, now. Oh, this one is canteen now.
Yeah. But before it's a wood, not like this. Yes. Long time ago, I don't come
Oh my
here.
God, it's good.
Wait,
Easy.
long time ago.
Oh, it looks. Oh my God, it's good, na.
We always.
Oh, I like your school. Thai schools are really good.
Yeah. Your school not like this?
No, not like this.
Okay, okay. Before not like this.
Oh, everyone. Do you know anybody here in canteen?
Oh, change a lot.
No teachers.
Many things change. Or before not like this.
Oh, now people can like kids can sit here and eat.
Yeah,
na.
yeah, yeah. Oh, I think of old time. But everything changed now. Before not like this.
It's
Yeah.
plastics totally.
Yeah. Before.
Okay, table tennis. Actually, my school is so big compared to your school because we have big ground also.
Yeah.
Also, okay, so badminton.
Before when I grade 1, 2, 3, I always sit like this. And you know, that time I'm fat girl, so I run with 5 and I fall. I wear skirt na. Skirt do like this. And what she said, a boy look at me, oh, because skirt.
Oh, yeah, okay. I got it.
Before not like this.
Really?
Yeah, before more green than this.
But I think now it's more modern, I think.
Modern, yes.
Yeah, right?
Modern. Look, this building for social subject.
Ah,
This for mathematics or science. This for dancing room. No, now. Okay, consult.
oh.
But why they come school today? So many. My old school, บางประกอบวิทยาคม Look, the children come from for study, right? I don't understand.
Also,
The
science
style.
laboratory.
Nice, you know. The from Thai.
Oh, so many things change, right?
Actually, before they have some building here, like not big relation, but they change.
Why always a temple beside Thai school? Okay, look at that.
Yeah.
Temple is there. Oh, you want to go upstairs?
Yeah, because I want to pay.
Okay, you go.